Today in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome blocking downloads. Well, to stop the safe browsing, you have to do a few simple steps. But remember, after closing this feature, you won't get notified for malicious. So think before shutting this feature. Go to the three dots placed at the top right corner, click on the settings. After opening the settings tab, hit on the privacy and security. Then click to more. Now uncheck the safe browsing. After following these steps and switching off safe browsing, Google Chrome will stop blocking any files which you want to download. Now Google Chrome will not pass any notification regarding downloads the malicious files or websites you browse. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.